So hello guys, I am Kumar K. Since last 10 to 15 days I am in my village area. We have multiple homes here, but this one is my favorite. So let's start the observation here. Also, I'm going to explain my Facebook Hacker Cup story because I gave the Facebook Hacker Cup round 2 in this area where the internet connection is very weak. So let's start. So guys, you can see pigeons here. Okay, let's try to go inside. Guys, I love this home the most. It's very interesting. So it's hall number 1, as we can see here. The air quality is so good. Some more extra space here. Then we can see the hall number 2 as well here. Okay. Now, like there are many more rooms. Let's explore everything one by one. One more room here. Lots of extra space here as well. This is the kitchen arena. Obviously, many more rooms here and there. Like this is one of the rooms where I used to do the programming and all. Our Satswarup Ram Maharaj. And one more room here. Like I don't think it will open. Okay. So it's not opening. Let's go to the next room here. Like today is the last day of stay here, so obviously we are locking most of the rooms. See guys, the best thing I find here is that the air is very fresh. The AQI is so good. Like compared to when I operate in Desi Q&A head office in Mumbai. Compared to that place, this place is really great. Like each breath I take, I feel so fresh. It's so nice. It's so nice. Like I can sit here and do my DSA OACP for 18 to 20 hours straight without any distraction. It feels so good. Really good. Like this is the extra area which we have for garden and stuff. Most of the trees and plants have been removed now because they became very big and then snakes were coming. So yeah, that's it. Now let's go to some other areas. Like there are so many areas in the house. Let's go to terrace number 1, guys. Okay, let's go to terrace number 1. So yeah, so guys, there are 2 ways to go to the terrace. This one as well as that one. Okay. And this is my lovely grandmother. See, she's so cute. Okay, now we go above. So guys, let's go above, let's enjoy. So guys, we have reached the floor number 1, terrace number 1 here. So guys, this grand space, okay, here, this is the space where I was doing my workout. So obviously since last 10-15 days I did not have enough protein intake. And there are no gym equipments here, so I have to use these stones for the workout. Obviously push-ups and pull-ups there, and you know, climbing the different areas and tanks. It's so interesting. And yeah guys, I try to get my 10,000 15,000 steps daily here only because that keeps me in a constant state of calorie deficit. Though being in calorie deficit is very difficult here because the food is so tasty, right? All that ghee, churma and stuff. So guys, on the left hand side, this is another house that's of my grandfather's older brother. And on the left hand side also another house that's of my grandfather's older brother. My grandfather was a great guy. He made my childhood awesome. I'm so happy. I'll forever remember him. Yes guys, this is the room. This room. Like currently I cannot open it. Maybe I can open it. Let's see. If it opens up, then great. Yeah. So guys, this is the room where I, recorded all the YouTube videos for you since the last 10 days, and I did all my coding here also. I gave some Codeforces contest and the Facebook Hacker Cup round 2 I gave here. When I was giving it, the connection was not working. There were so many problems. But I gave the Facebook. So guys, I gave my Facebook Hacker Cup here from 11:30 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. here. Lots of internet issue was there, and due to the lights at the night, different type of insects, different breeds of insects were also coming here. Okay. And guys, I ended up getting world rank around 800 and all India rank around 300. And for the first time, I'm going to get the t-shirt from Meta. Yeah, I know there is a chameleon here. So let's not stay much more in the room. Guys, there's this other room as well, but let it be closed only. It has lots of extra waste material. Not waste, but just storage material which is needed sometimes. So you can see. Now let's go up. Guys, terrace number 2. Now this is the place I have also explored very less. So let's go above, let's enjoy. Enjoyment in your life should never stop, no matter what. Yes guys, you get such a nice view from here, right? Life is so interesting, so great. Few years back it was raining at this place and I was enjoying so much. I still remember. I know you guys are busy in semester exams, working professionals busy in office, preparing for DSA placement, doing everything so much. But guys, sometimes you just need to relax. You need to relax for a few days. You need to travel. So you can get a different perspective on life. There might be some XYZ things which are not clear to you, but they will get clear to you when you are a little bit alone with yourself. In nature, at somewhere quiet, where the external noise is not disturbing you. And then you can find the right path. You always need to have faith in God plus good health plus good mindset. And coming to DSA guys, stop doing standard questions, okay? Stop doing standard sheet questions. That will not make you pass away an interview these days. Give more and more mock interviews and keep on grilling on the hard questions if your standard questions are done. That's it guys, and keep enjoying life. Ram Ram. Okay.